Right, today we're just going to look at something that is very, very simple that you can do for your natural hair. So, I believe that everyone can style their natural hair like accordingly, mostly like when you know this.
Morris, the Crochet Master.
All right, yes, as we know that natural hair, we should always comb it when it is moisturized, and this is our easy comb of MDC hair product, and this is what I always use for my clients when I'm moisturizing their hair, like to be very soft and very easy for me to comb them. This is what you can always use. So please, those people who sometimes I know most of us know how to do it, but now to those of us who don't know, at least even if you don't have any oil or moisturizer on you, please just splash there some water. It is very, very fine. You can just splash some water and you make it soft. You first massage it with your hands, and like when you're done with your hands, then you can comb it or maybe style it. So that is the same, that is the only one thing that you can always do. So she wanted to make something that is very simple and elegant, and when it comes to styling, we just you would just think of something and just do it there and then. Let me tell you something that you will need to know is that styling, it's not just a matter of just doing something, or like no, what you feel inside. Let's say you're going to style her and you feel something in you, like I would say you just think of something, but though there are some things that you need to follow. One, it should be the basics, and these basics comes when we find like our clients, if a client have long forehead, you just know that now the style that I have to do is that one that is going at least to cover some of the forehead, because someone cannot be with a long forehead and you do a style going, you style it going behind, you understand. But still, there are those ones that are very proud of their foreheads, that you can always style it that way and they feel very fine. So this one I just advise to those ones who would want to style their hair in that way. Please, we just have to follow these. If someone with long forehead, you just have to know it automatically that something that is a sideway can always look very nice, and those ones with short foreheads, they will always look good with things that goes behind, or something that is in a mohawk hairstyle. So now, the good thing for those ones with long forehead, for them, is the only thing is those ones. The only thing is the hairstyle that goes behind. But still, for them, they can do a sideway, they can do a mohawk hairstyle, since a mohawk style, it is trying to cover the forehead, you understand. So here I'm just trying to think of something that she's going to do and stay for it some weeks. Yeah, something good. So let's try to see how it's going to be. And I would like to advise like those ones who who have been using their natural, okay, who have been treating their natural hair, that please, most of the times when we are washing our natural hair, then things that we need to do mostly is let's try to mind about the hair, that the water that we use. It is at the first place when we are maybe adding the shampoo, or like we are washing out, at times you first detangle the hair before you're going to do what, to wash it. So after detangle, then when we go for washing, first there we can use the hot water. You understand, the hot water. We can use the hot water or warm. When I mean hot water, okay, the warm water. So by the time we are starting to apply our things, and those are the treatments, yes, most of those treatments like the leave-ins, we don't need to still wash the hair with the warm water. It is not good. I believe that mostly when we use warm water, the pores of the hair, they open. So it is good like when we apply our ingredients, our products, the natural products, when we apply them, and then we wash it with the cold water. In that, it can how can I say it? It can grab it. Is it like grabbing, or like the water? Those pores will just close, and that and our treatment just remains inside. You understand? So those ones who have been doing that like throughout the washing with the shampoo and the conditioner, what they keep on using the hot the warm water, hot water, it is not good for natural hair. Like that's what I would advise more. So I even had forgotten, sorry, like to introduce myself. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. I love you so much, and just know everyone who is watching me, wherever you are, I would I just know I love you so much. And please, let's keep subscribing, liking, sharing, commenting. If you would need something that you want to understand or to learn, please, you can always go in my comment section, because most of the times I always get these things that you would need to know from the comment section. So it is always good, like maybe to comment something you may not know, or maybe that is my first my eyes to it might be the something that I would see first, and then I do a video from that. So as we're continuing, you can see how my hairstyle has reached. But now in this hairstyle, we have used the MDC hair oil, hair product, the shampoo, the conditioner, the treatment. And then here, mostly when I'm doing my my baby hair, like the baby, like the gel that I'm using, you can use the shine and jam. It is good. Even the lace and jam is also fine. Then you can do the corners. So plus the crochet that I'm going to apply on top is for spring twist from Jenna collection. You're going to be seeing it. So those are the things that I wanted to share with you. And remember one thing, we always upload videos every week. Yeah, every week I make sure I upload a video. So if it's your first time, please make sure that you ring on that bell, so that you can grab my videos. You can watch them every time I upload. So my name is Maurice, the crochet master. I love you so much, and may God bless you all. Let's see and tell me what you have learned from this. And then yes, those ones always ask me this whitish thing. Yes, this is the moss, the hair holding moss for olive oil. Yeah, I use it so much when it comes to this. So let me sign out, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.